Kung ipapasa po natin itong version na ito po ay hindi anti-political dynasty bill. Dahil ito po, mas worst pa sa nangyayari ngayon. Hindi lang po mataba na dynasty ang ipopromote nito. Bundat, yung 10 kayo na magkakamag-anak, lahat kayo pwedeng kumandidato dito sa iba't ibang mga posisyon. It should prevent monopoly of power. 10 kayo, pwede. Hindi may monopoly of power, ang liwanag. Binabastos natin ang essence ng konstitusyon kung ipapasa natin itong bill na ito. Sabi ni Presidente Marcos, priority niya magpakulong dahil dito sa flood control. Nagawa niya ba? Hindi. Bola lang. Sinabi ni Presidente, priority niya yung independent commission na ipasa ba? Hindi. Bola lang. Ngayon, sabi niya, priority niya, anti-political dynasty. Alam na alam niya yung meaning ng dynasty sapagkat kaming dalawa ang author nung kauna-unahang batas. Bola lahat.
Please,
Bola nun. Bola, Marcos.
Mr. Chair, I move that we adopt and approve the unnumbered substitute House bill that has been given to the members, Mr. Chair.
There's a motion.
Objection,
There's a
Mr.
motion.
Mr. Chair.
There's a
You
motion to approve the
Mr. Chair.
unnumbered substitute bill. It has been seconded. Is that an objection, Congressman Irise?
No, I will have to explain my objection.
Yeah, okay. So that's an objection to the
Yes,
motion.
our
Okay.
objection.
Yes, Congressman Irise.
Well, Mr. Chair, kung ipapasa po natin itong version na ito po ay hindi anti-political dynasty bill. Dahil ito po, mas worst pa sa nangyayari ngayon. Hindi lang po mataba na dynasty ang ipopromote nito, bundat na dynasty ang ipopromote nito. Pangalawa po, maliwanag sa ating konstitusyon. Sa mga framers ng Constitution natin, meron pong parameters on how to define a political dynasty. 1, it should promote equal access and opportunities to ordinary citizens for public office. Dito po, 5 yung 10 kayo na magkakamag-anak, lahat kayo pwedeng kumandidato dito sa iba't ibang mga posisyon. Pangalawa po, ang sinabi ng Constitution ng mga framers ng Constitution, it should prevent monopoly of power. 10 kayo, pwede. Hindi may monopoly of power, ang liwanag. Hindi, the Congress have been ignoring the anti-political dynasty provision of the 1987 Constitution for 39 years. Binabaliwala natin. Pero ngayon, mas worse. Bakit? Binabastos natin ang essence ng konstitusyon kung ipapasa natin itong bill na ito. Alam nyo, sabi ni Presidente Marcos, priority niya magpakulong dahil dito sa flood control. Nagawa niya ba? Hindi. Bola lang. Sinabi ni Presidente, priority niya yung independent commission na ipasa ba? Hindi. Bola lang. Ngayon, sabi niya, priority niya anti-political dynasty. Alam na alam niya yung meaning ng dynasty sapagkat kaming dalawa ang author nung kauna-unahang batas na
Congressman
mayroong
Irise.
provision na
Your Honor,
anti-political dynasty bill.
Your
Bola
Honor,
lahat.
Please,
Bola nun.
Your
Bola,
Honor, please direct-
Marcos.
Your Honor, please direct. If that's a objection, you don't need to explain your objection. You just say you objected to the motion. I would, but I would allow. I only allowed you to say your piece, Mr. Chair, just to be fair. No. So there was an objection. Congressman Tino, would you also like to raise your objection? Wala.
Yes, I also object to the
sige.
motion, Mr.
So there's
Chair.
a motion. There's an objection to the motion to adopt the substitute bill. The House unnumbered House bill as a substitute bill is there. So there's a division. There's a motion. There's an objected to. So we divide the House. Those who are in favor.
Mr. Chair,
Of the
before
motion,
before the voting, may I withdraw my authorship of the bill?
I'm sorry, hindi ko po narinig. You're removing...
I withdraw my authorship on the proposed bill.
Okay, granted. So we divide the House. So those who are in favor of the motion to adopt the unnumbered House bill as our substitute bill, please raise your hand. Those who object to the motion, please raise your hand.
Wala na si 4. Yes 20, no 4.
Okay, so thank you very much. Thank you. So to the motion that we adopt the unnumbered House bill as our substitute bill, those who are in favor, 20
congressmen in favor of
20
adoption.
members of the House supported the motion, while 4 objected to the motion. So the motion to adopt unnumbered House bill as our substitute bill is hereby approved.
Parliamentary inquiry, Mr. Chair.
Yes, Congressman.
I am a little
Congresswoman
bit
Cata.
confused. Kanina, tinanong ko na po kung ano ibig sabihin ng consolidation at adoption. Kasi sa karaniwang, at sabi niyo ay draft lang po ito, pero ang dami din natin pinagbotohan on this. Sa pagkakaintindi ko kasi sa lawmaking sa committee, yung version ng mga authors, pag nag-file, kino-consider. Marami po ako kasing nakita dito sa dinistribute nyo ngayon na hindi nagre-reflect nung ibang provision na in-express na rin sa ibang version. Kaya ang parliamentary inquiry ko po, so ano po ang ibig sabihin that we adopted? Can we raise now questions on each section? Because my understanding kanina when we voted was to adopt this as a draft in the process of consolidating. Meaning, may isang consolidated version na lalabas that reflects also the bill that I filed. Kung ina-adapt na po natin, ano po ang ibig sabihin? Ito na po ba yung idadalhin natin sa plenary? Kasi malaki po ang magiging implikasyon yan sa proseso ng paggawa ng batas. Kasi hindi nyo po na napakinggan ang input din ng version na final namin na hindi nire-reflect ng version na ito. Paki-clarify po, Mr. Chair. Thank you po.
Thank you very much, Congresswoman. Earlier, we allow the consolidation of the House bills, but we also emphasize that the working draft that will be used is House Bill 6771, which essentially covers a substantial portion of the substitute bill that we have already adopted. That's number one. Number two is, the question is whether can you still ask questions or raise concerns on specific sections on the substitute House bill that we have just adopted. Yes, you can, Your Honors. You can still ask questions.
Mr. Chair, the
yes, this is still,
assumption-
yeah, but allow me first,
Yes,
with
okay,
all due
sorry.
respect. Anyway, this is still a subject of the committee report that we will be approving today. No? So there will be questions, I'm sure of it, there will be concerns that will be raised by members of this House to further clarify and understand the substitute bill that we have already just been adopted. So yes, to the question whether can you raise, yes, we can still discuss sections on the substitute House bill, unnumbered substitute House bill that we just approved.
Thank you, Mr.
Mr.
Chair.
Chair.
But the assumption that this draft covers substantially the 25 versions that have been filed, I think is very dangerous. Because for me, it does not substantially reflect the bill that I filed and the bills that I read filed by all other members. Medyo nakakalito pag sinasabi natin that because it substantially covers, we will allow you to raise questions, but in the process of lawmaking at the committee level, we not only ask questions, but give inputs on how to reword, to rephrase, to add, to subtract an agreed draft. So, pag inadapt mo kasi at ang assumption ay substantially covers, parang, clarify na lang tayo. Parang hindi po. Pakilinin na lang po yung ground rules kasi will we be allowed to ask questions? Of course, I should be allowed to ask questions. Hindi pa nga nai-reflect dito yung heart and soul ng provision of FINALCO eh. So, hindi ko pwede ipasok. So, magulo kapag ang dinesisyon na natin is to adopt. As if that this reflects also, may mga debates man tayo on content and other subject matters, para kasing kinover. Hindi eh. Ako lang po, sana po medyo bukas pa tayo dun sa I agree that we should have a draft. That's why I said kanina, okay po. Kaya lang pag sinabi po nating adopt, as if ni-reflect niyo yung version ko, hindi rin eh. So,
Yes. There was-
clarificatory na lang po ba? Hindi na ako pwede magbigay ng input to put meat on the provisions of this draft that reflects also the aspiration of the people that co-wrote with me this draft na final ko po.
But there will be, ma'am, yes, Congresswoman Bagao, there will still be avenues for for any members here to introduce an amendment to the substitute House bill. We can still discuss naman po eh. There's also the plenary discussion on the floor. Number two is that, yes, it is substantially covers the House bill because sabi ko nga po kanina, let me again reiterate po, with all due respect to the authors here, because 25 versions, marami po talagang authors dyan. With all due respect, kung po pwede nga po lahat yan kukunin, pero imposible naman pong lahat makuha.
Chair.
Mr. Chair.
Allow me to finish first. Imposible naman po na makonsolidate natin all the 25 bills. But we tried, the TWG tried their best to consolidate and to reconcile of the sections. Ang sinasabi ko po, let me reiterate, the House Bill 6771 was made as the working draft. It's because of the number of supporters. Ang dami pong nag-co-author po nito. Ang dami pong supporters ito. That's why we made that as our working draft. Para mapabilis ang ating pag-adapt po ng consolidation ng mga House bills na ito.
Mr. Chair.
So, yun po, with all due respect, alam ko po, author po kayo, Congressman Bagao. Meron naman pong pagkakataon na kanina po ay nagkaroon po tayo ng botohan whether or not to adopt this as a substitute house, unnumbered House bill, substitute bill, at bumoto naman po tayo. So lahat po naman po ay dumaan sa proseso. In fact, the chair allows dissenting opinions from the members just to express that you give fairness to the process and to all the members who have also authored this measure na hindi naisali yung gusto nilang may sali doon sa House bill. Kaya po inaalaw po ng chair na magsalita po sila.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Sana lang po, totoo tayo dun sa proseso na yung mga hindi nare-reflect dito na mga issue on anti-political dynasty ay sana po magkaroon ng pagkakataong mapag-usapan natin paano siya lagyan ng laman. Pwede naman talaga tayong hindi magkasundo sa ano po yung ilalagay. Kaya lang po, kung isang subject matter kagaya ng succession ay hindi man lang na-mention dito at hindi nabubuksan ang pagkakataong magbigay ng rekomendasyon ng isang provision halimbawa tungkol dyan, ay tingin ko parang hindi po tama yung proseso. Hindi naman po porke marami ang sumasang-ayon ay tama agad, di ba? Kaya nga meron tayong space para pakinggan po ang lahat ng opinion. Yun lang po, Mr. Chair, sana po may pagkakataon na mag-introduce ng provision on subject matters that are not reflected by this working draft that we have adopted. Thank you po, Mr. Chair.
Thank you very much. Noted po, Congresswoman Bagao.